And she talks about how she had to feed Pudge the fish a sandwich, and then Myrtle makes fun of her and calls her weird, and she just sucks that little girl. Hi my love muffins, it is Jazzy, and today I am going to do the makeup tutorial for my Nani cosplay look, and it is going to be very simple brown makeup tutorial, so if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so first I put the wig on. I flat twisted my hair underneath this wig because I'm really bad at braiding. A lot of people French braid their hair under their wigs, but I prefer to flat twist my hair under my wigs because I am absolutely 100% terrible at braiding, and I need to learn how to French braid. So like, if you guys could recommend some videos of people that literally can teach me how to French braid, that would be wonderful because I'm terrible at it. And then I put on this awesome wig with bangs on it. It's super, super cute, and there's a lot of cosplays in the future that I could do with this wig, and I got this wig from Amazon. I'll put the link below. It's really awesome. It was really affordable. It's very thick, and it's a really awesome synthetic wig. Like, I am a huge fan of this wig. As soon as I opened it out of the package, I fell in love. So I will link it below in the description so that if you guys want to get the same wig, or if you like it too, you can grab it too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face. I have very sensitive skin, so I usually like to just spray my face with rose water like this. I love this rose water. I got it for $5 at I believe at Macy's. I cannot remember. A little goes a long way, and I just like this brand because I do have sensitive skin and it doesn't cause my skin to break out, so that's awesome. So I just like to spray a little on my face just to prepare my skin for all the crap I'm going to put on it. To use this facial primer, it's by Juice Beauty. It's super cute and it is great for my sensitive skin. If you guys know other great primers for sensitive skin, please let me know. I always like small section of my skin test all of my new makeup products, just because the worst possible thing you can do is put a new makeup product all over your face that you've never tried before and then you break out. Or you have some type of horrible allergic reaction. It's not worth it. Your skin is your body's biggest organ. It's the organ we all first see. Why would you want to just attack it with something that it's not used to? Stab about that much. Grab this brush. Spread it all over my face. Skin all primed. I had to clip my bangs out of the way because you want to make sure you get your whole face. Nothing's worse than having all of this done and then there's a giant gaping heap of space. Okay, so Nani lives in Hawaii. I'm pretty sure she has this like dewy, beautiful tan skin. I am not good at creating dewy skin, so I'm going to attempt. We'll see how this goes. I am going to use my Born This Way foundation that I've used in my last video, and I love Too Faced Born This Way. This is the one foundation that I found is like perfectly my skin tone. It is amazing. It's in the skin color of Mocha, and so I'm just gonna do a couple pumps, and then I'm gonna take this really awesome highlight drops that I got from Ulta Beauty that I used in my last video, and I'm gonna put some of those and mix it in with my foundation. Just mix it together like that. Right, now my face is nice and even. It's got a little bit of a sparkly tint to it. It looks beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal under my eyes, and I'm going to sculpt my nose. So I have a pretty big nose, and if you've ever seen the character of Nani, which I'll post right there, you can tell in that picture that she does also have a big nose, but our noses are shaped a little different. So I'm going to try and shape my nose to look like hers. So like a tiger. A darker concealer. I love these. You can get these at the beauty supply. They're really awesome. Make a really thin line right next to that middle line, and then I want to go right underneath my nose. I'm gonna make it right here. Go right here. This is because Nani has a really tiny bridge and her nose is just right here, so I just want my nose to be bigger right here. Alright, so I don't know if you noticed, but that did change the shape of my nose a little bit. It made it a little bit wider down here and smaller up here, and that's the look I am going for, so I am pretty darn happy. Okay, next I am going to take some eye primer and some of my e.l.f. eye brightening powder, and I'm going to set my eyes to put on eyeshadow. Because once again, I have sensitive skin. One of my favorite primers to use on my eyes is the Too Faced Shawdow Insurance. I've tried other primers in the past, and no. Girl, no. They didn't, it's just an allergic reaction every time. Alright, that's all good. Okay, now it's time to do my eyeshadow. Brown makeup look. I'm going to stay within it's my Raye Raye BH Cosmetics. I love Raye Raye's YouTube channel. I just love her as a person, and I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette because it's made for everyone, which is great. It has had a lot of use and wear and tear also because I just love it that much. I'm gonna go in first with Spice and Control Freak. But Nani has she has like a more of an almond shaped eye. I have tiny eyes, but I don't really have an almond shaped eye. So I'm gonna try and sculpt my eye to match hers. Little bitty fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna start within the middle corner of my eye and drag it outwards. Then I'm gonna drag it underneath. Going to just blend that out a little bit with a fluffier brush. Mousse and Midnight. So Mousse and Midnight. And I'm going to mix those together. And I'm just going to keep them in the corner. Buff them out in that corner. I love the way this looks. It's so pretty. Okay, Fairy Tale and Tiffany. Mix them together. Over here. Then I'm just gonna go back in with Fairy Tale. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'm going to use the color Allison. It is really pretty. In the inner corner. Alright, now I'm going to take a white pencil. I'm going to line underneath my eye. Line that waterline. Perfect. Ugh, it's super cute. I love it so much already. I take an even thicker tiny brush like this one. And I'm going to take Midnight, that dark color that we were using. And I'm going to drag it underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to go into my Marvycorn BH Cosmetics palette because I live for BH Cosmetics. I love them because they're affordable and because their colors always look really great. That's like sometimes I feel affordable beauty is the beauty way to go. I'm going to go into Live into Life right here, and I'm just going to put it right here underneath my eyes. All beautiful. I look like I have no eyebrows in this camera. Like, oh my god, where are my eyebrows? Like, sis, you have no eyebrows. Yay. So now that my eyebrows are all done and ready to go, hey, don't at me for how bad they look. I'm terrible at eyebrows. I'll let you guys know already. So I'm going to go in and do the rest of my face. Bronzer from BH Cosmetics. It's so pretty and I love it. To just put it on my cheeks. Go in here and I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna take French toast. Put some on my brush. And I'm going to put it on the balls of my cheeks. We'll go into this amazing e.l.f. palette full of the most adorable blushes, and I'm going to take this blush right here in the corner, and then I'm going to put some on my nose. Put some on my cheeks. Make sure it's on my nose. I'm going to go back into that middle shade right there, and I'm going to just swipe some on my cheeks. Okay, now my face is really cute. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I forgot to line my eyes because I just horrible, so I'm going to line my eyes. Eyes are lined. Okay, so the eyes are lined, all pretty and gorgeous. So next I am going to put on some lashes and then I will add my lip. So now that my eyes are done, I am going to do my lips. So Nani kind of has like this dark pinkish tint to her lips. It's very neutral. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this really awesome neutrally dark pink color that's called Tippy Toe that I'm obsessed with. It's one of my favorite everyday colors, and I got this at the dollar store. It's by Forever Matte. They're amazing. So I'm just gonna put that on the lips. This really pretty lip gloss that I got in my Ipsy. It's in the color Capricorn. The label ripped off. I'm not 100% sure who this lip gloss is by. I have to go back and look it up, but I am absolutely 100% obsessed with it. I love the iridescent colors that it has that you can see, so it's really pretty. Also, just do a really quick shout out to Baby Girl Nails in Chicago. Look how beautiful my nails are. Oh my god, Zoe always hooks me up. Follow her on Instagram too. Her nail designs are phenomenal. But anyway, so this color looks really amazing. It's gonna give my lips this really dewy, pretty color, and that's the color we're going for. We're supposed to look like we just washed up from the beach. It's gonna be fabulous. Okay, so now I put that on there. It's still not as dewy as I want it to be. It's close, but it's not there. So then we're gonna take this really pretty Modern Metals lip gloss from e.l.f. Gonna put a little in the middle of the big lip, my big fat bottom lip, and then put a little up here. Okay, there we go. That's the look I want to go for. Also, if you guys just want some like really amazing wig tutorials on how to color wigs, synthetic wigs, check out my sister's channel. I will link it below as well. She has some really awesome wig tutorials that she is putting up there. My twin just has like talents beyond belief, so you know, shameless plug, I'm gonna plug her too. And this is the finished look. I love it. I think it's fabulous. It is just, like I said, a simple brown face look, nothing special, nothing fancy. All right, now I am all done and ready to go. Bye guys, love you, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share if you love it, if you liked it, even if you hated it, and subscribe if you enjoy me. And let me know in the comments what your favorite scene is from Lilo and Stitch, because I love Lilo and Stitch. I'll tell you mine right now. My favorite scene from Lilo and Stitch is when Lilo's late to class in the beginning and he's like, Lilo, why are you late? And she talks about how she had to feed Pudge the fish a sandwich, and then Myrtle makes fun of her and calls her weird, and she just socks that little girl. I love it. I knew in that moment of the movie that I was going to fall in love with Lilo and Stitch, and I have loved it ever since. So so tell me your favorite scene from Lilo and Stitch, or if you've never seen it, then tell me your favorite scene from your favorite Disney movie. I've seen most of them, but not all of them, and maybe I'll go check it out. Bye guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.